G'day everyone, today on the show we're going to draw from the Minecraft movie. Alright, let's do it.
Woo. Woo.
So first of all, we're going to draw Steve's nose.
The simplest step.
Yep, simplest step. So come about here on your page and we're just trying to draw a circle like that. It's going to have a button nose. Now the next step is we're going to draw his eyes. So over here, we're going to have one big eye like this.
Looks like we're drawing Mario.
And then on the other side, we're going to draw an eye exactly the same size over this side. Mario. Cool. All right, so on this side of the eye, you want to come in around like that. Like so, to form part of his pupil. Cool, cool. And then we're going to do like a little highlight up in this corner of the eye here, like so. Yep, cool. And you want to color this part of the eye in black, but don't color in that white bit.
You all know that.
Yeah. Watch our other videos, you will know that.
Yes.
Awesome, Phoenix. Now on this side here, we're going to do the same thing. Draw another part of the eye like that. And then again, a little highlight here like that. Looks a bit hypnotized there, doesn't it? Ooh. Hypnotized by the Minecrafts. Now we want to color this in black. All right, next we're going to do Steve's eyebrows. So we're going to come up here. You just want to do like kind of a U like that. Cool. And then you want to do like sort of like that, a shape like that. So it kind of looks like a banana on the side or a half crescent moon. However you wish to describe it. Now, on the other side, we'll do the same thing. Come around like that, the eyebrow. We'll start at the bottom this time, and then we'll go around like so. Probably an easy way to do it like that, isn't it? Cool. Now, what we'll do, we're going to start forming his beard out, and we're going to start with a mustache. Now, you might be wondering, well, hasn't Steve got a beard? And it's like, yeah, he has a beard, but to have a beard, you have to have a mustache, don't you?
Yes.
Yep, that's right. Now, we'll come to this side of his nose and we'll just go in like that. There you go there. Oh, awesome. And we'll come in the other side and do the exact same thing like that. Cool, cool, cool. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to do something funky. We're going to go in like that and then into there. That's going cool. And then we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to go loop and then into there like that. Awesome.
Mario.
Looks like Mario, doesn't it? So next part we're going to do is we're going to start forming out Steve's hair before we continue on with the beard. So I wanted to come into the middle of the eyebrows up here, just probably here. And we're going to do a wave of his hair that goes something like that. Yep. And we're going to do it the exact same thing on the other side. We're going to go up on a wave, down, and into there. So it's kind of like an M, or like a mountain, a funny looking mountain, isn't it? It's cool. That's awesome.
Piece of bread.
Piece of bread. Now, is you want to come up to here, and you just want to do like a hook on that side to form out his hair. Awesome, Phoenix. And on the other side, we're going to do the exact same thing. It's like sort of waves going on here. Wavy mountains. Now let's start forming out his beard before we get back to this. We're going to go back again. So you want to start sort of this wave that we made here, and you want to do a line that sort of curves into the mustache. Yep, beautiful. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Come down, line, curve it into the mustache. Starting to take shape.
Ooh.
Ooh. Now up here, we're just going to go from this widow's peak of his hair and go into there, like that. So we've got like that. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side, like that. Cool. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now, the next step, let's form that beard out, shall we? Now, we're going to come over here on this side, and we're going to draw a line that goes around like that, and to there.
Santa Claus.
Yeah, he looks like Santa Claus, doesn't he? And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Go down into there. We're not going to connect them up just yet because we're going to form out some bumpy bits of his beard.
Mine's
Good
gonna
job.
look like a boa head.
That's cool, man. That's awesome. Now we're going to do like one bump there on that side. Yep. Another bump there on that side. So these are small ones. And we're going to do an extra big one in the middle like that. Cool. So underneath Steve's moustache, we're going to see his mouth. Now, what I want you guys to do is to go to this point of the moustache and go in like that. And then we're going to go in like that. And then we're just going to hook in like this. Okay. So when we come to coloring in, this is going to be his skin color. It's going to match his face. That's sort of like you think his mouth is underneath there.
And his hands.
Cool, and his hands. Yep, that's right. Now, the fun begins. Let's do his ears. So I'm just going to bring this one out a bit more here and on that side too. Now, you just want to go straight line and then loop it in on a curve on that side. Good job, Phoenix. And the same thing over here. Straight line down, curve it in. That's forming out his ears. Sweet.
Woo.
Now, that's the majority of his face done. Now, what we want to do next is we're just going to do his shoulders so we can form the rest of his hair out. So you want to come up here to this part of his beard, and we're just going to do one line down like that. Yep, and we're going to come over here and do the same thing, line down like that. Don't worry about getting them right just yet because we're going to come back to that. Now, let's form out Steve's hair. Steve's got very beautiful, in the Minecraft movie, he's played by Jack Black. He's got some really awesome wavy long hair like yours, Phoenix.
Yep.
Yeah? Okay, so we're going to come up to this point here, come up to about here, and you want to wave, get down like that, start like that.
And he's also the voice of Bowser in the Mario movie.
That's right. Jack Black has a lot of voices of a lot of different characters, isn't he? Now, we're going to start over here and go back around the same, like that. Good work. Now, we'll come back to this side, and you want to go out and in, like that. And we're going to do the same over here. Go out and in. Yep, beautiful. And then we're going to go out and in on that side. We go back to the other side. Out and in, like that. Now what we want to do is you want to do a curve that goes into his shoulder. So one curve into there to complete his hair on that side. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Like that. Let's bring these lines of his shoulders and his arms down just a little bit further. Like that. Mm-hmm. Now what we want to do is we want to do the sleeve of his arm. One going in that way. Yep. And another one going in this way. Cool. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come back up here to sort of like where the top of his arm would be. And we're going to draw a line just down into there. And you can round these out. Yep. And we're going to go over here. Same thing.
In the Minecraft movie, he has a big belly.
Got a bit of a belly. Yeah, that's right. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to form off the bottom of his t-shirt. Good work, Phoenix. Awesome. Now, the next thing is we want to draw a line. Goes down and curves into like that. Yep, beautiful. And we're going to come up here and draw one of his fingers. So it curls into like that. Yep.
It's gonna look like cat paws.
Cat paws, kind of like that. And then you want to come up here, do the same thing, in and around like that. And then we have one of Steve's arms. How cool is that? Now, let's go on the other side. Do the exact same thing.
Woo.
Go down, a bit of a lip, around, and go like that. Yep. And then you want to curve in, do sort of like a big finger. And then the same thing on here, around and in, like that. Okay. Taking shape. What's missing from the bottom of his body?
Pants.
He needs some pants. All right, let's put some pants on Steve. Now, Let's draw one line down here for one side of his pants. And on the other side, we'll do the same thing. Okay, and we're going to come into the middle. And we're just going to go down a little bit lower here from the bottom of his shoe into there. And the same on this side, like that. And then you just want to do a line that curves into here. Okay. Awesome work, Phoenix. Now what we want to do is we want to do the bottom of his shoe over here. So we're going to go up and around like that, and then in like that. So you're going looping around, down a hill, and then into there. Whoa, okay, cool. All right, maybe we can work with that, Phoenix. A little bit of a happy accident going on there. And what we want to do at the bottom of the shoe, Phoenix is going to do something a little bit different here. I'm going to help him. So you're going to go down like that. And then...
Oh, it's like the
cuff.
cuff.
The cuff. So what I want you to do, Phoenix, is do one of the cuffs here. It's like maybe his pants were a bit too long and he's cuffed them up with the thing. My dad used to do that when he was younger.
Okay, so...
Yep, beautiful, cool. All right, now what we're going to do at the bottom of the shoe is I just want you to draw a line that sort of creates the sole of the shoe. Yep, cool. Now we're going to just replicate the shoe on the other side. So Phoenix, that's pretty easy for you, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start here, go into there, I'm going to loop around, go into there. Beautiful. And then at the bottom of the shoe, we just create the sole. Draw a line like that. So remember at home, if you do something like that, don't worry, you can actually fix it. It's always like what I call a happy accident. So in this case, Phoenix could color in his pants blue, but then he's going to color in these one a little bit darker, so it sort of shows the illusion of him ruffling up his pants. Okay, there we go, guys. We've drawn Steve from Minecraft. How cool was that?
Woo!
Awesome. So the next step is
Color in.
we're going to color in. See you soon. Okay, guys, there we go. We did it. We colored in Steve from Minecraft.
Woo!
How'd you go, Phoenix? What'd you think? Turned out really well, didn't it? I like his beard. He's really cool, isn't he? I did some sort of the white on his beard over here, did some lines and so forth. I think it looks really awesome.
Steve.
I am Steve, and everyone goes, "Roar." Well, there we go. My name is Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is Phoenix. And I hope today you had fun making art. We certainly did. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Steve.
G'day everyone. Today on the show we're going to draw
Steve.
from the Minecraft movie. All right, there we go, guys. We've drew. Okay. Okay, good.
Today, guys, we had fun making art.
Bye.